everyone, welcome to DIY House. Today, we're going to make a watermelon house for our lucky dinosaur who just won the lottery. Wow! Alright, let's get started.
The company is currently facing economic difficulties, and you might be laid off during this period.
Yay!
In the current market, there are watermelon-themed houses with unique architecture that attract a lot of attention. And here are the lottery results. The lucky winning number for the special prize is 171. Congratulations to the winner.
First, we need to build the floor and two perpendicular walls. Use some cardboard to create the second floor. Stack the cardboard sheets and cover them with some refreshing green paper to create a cool watermelon bed. Place the bed right here. Next, it's a comfy mattress made of cotton, covered with a red velvet cloth on top. The watermelon-shaped headboard made of clay is the finishing touch. The bed is now complete, easy as pie, right? Next, we'll make a cabinet from cardboard. Covering the edges with green paper to resemble the watermelon skin. A beautiful clay flower pot placed inside this cabinet would be a lovely addition. Looks would be a suitable choice to place on this cute little cabinet. The watermelon-themed bedroom is complete. Do you like to sleep in this room? Now let's move on to the kitchen. An oven integrated with the kitchen is very convenient for cooking. The countertop is green with a border. Certainly! A kitchen should include electrical stoves and a hood to keep the air clean while cooking. The extractor hood and electric stove are both made of cardboard, with gemstones as buttons. A cute pink bread oven made from Fomex is a wonderful addition to the kitchen.
The smell of freshly baked bread is so delightful.
A cute silver frying pan will give us delicious sunny-side-up eggs for breakfast. A watermelon-shaped fridge made of sturdy cardboard. Not a bad idea, right? A dining table and chair set will be the place for the family to gather after a busy day of school and work. Now let's make a staircase. The stairs are made from multiple colorful cardboard pieces stacked on top of each other. Blue, pink, red, orange, yellow, green. Adding columns and strings of beads to the railing makes the staircase even more glamorous.
This corner would be fantastic for growing some watermelon plants.
Okay, a watermelon garden made from clay. Do you like eating watermelons? Have you ever tried growing plants after watching this video? You might want to try planting a fruit tree of your choice. Show me the results when it grows. Guess what I'm doing here? If you guess it's an ice cream stand, then congratulations, you're quite observant. This stand will be used to make fresh fruit ice cream from watermelons and various fruits after harvesting. Wow! Adding a set of chairs and a table to enjoy the delicious fresh ice creams is a great idea. Ta-da! The watermelon house looks really beautiful, doesn't it? If you have any opinions or comments, please feel free to let me know by commenting below. I really want to hear your thoughts. Thank you for watching my entire video.